does it look different?
You're on.
I know.
You need to intro.
You don't need to tell me what
There
to do.
is that
I
you?
don't tell you what jokes to tell. You don't tell me how to intro my segments. Okay? Red shoes guy. All right, guys. So he's in awe of his shoes and how the light hits the shoes and make it look different.
It's turner.
Oh, you're talking about the holographic part when the light hits it.
Oh, it has that too?
Oh.
That's how we go.
All right, let's just get on with this, guys. Well, they said there's an atmosphere of doom and gloom. I'm not sure where. It's not happening right now. Yeah. But yes, generally, anxiety and doom and gloom blanketing the globe because of this virus spreading. However, there is one comedian who believes, and now is the time to keep people laughing. Joining us, Fame FM's radio host and comedian, Dufton Shepherd. Around there, we just call him Duffy because it's easier.
Yeah.
Or Daft.
No, whoa.
No.
Take the A out of it.
Duffy.
Yeah. Break off the top of the A. Let's go at you, Duffy.
How you doing?
I'm suffering. I'm not even here to pretend, people. I am here suffering.
No, on the real though.
Yeah.
I mean, this has not been good for business.
Listen, our industry has just, taken a blow or a hit. No, them knock we out cold. Like one go boop, nothing. Like we haven't been earning in the last, say, 2 months because there's nothing. Everything is postponed or cancelled. Like me, I say, even the deposit, you know, send me the deposit. Right? Send me the deposit. See,
for the future events.
If that one day, that'd be the call about.
I think the business lesson out of this is that you upfront ask for a deposit.
Non-refundable. Oh yeah, sorry.
Yeah, social distancing. Seriously though, how do you creatively survive now in this new dispensation? What you do? Listen, enough people are taking to IG and so on.
Yeah, everybody's been going on IG and been doing stuff live. I've never seen so many persons going live.
Yeah.
You understand? In this time, we want to get so much data on the Wi-Fi up. No, sir.
That's why things are crashing. Reset, but that's another story.
Anyway.
Yeah.
But like one of my friends this morning, Ryan Chung, he messaged me and he's like, hey, what are you guys doing in terms of, putting out stuff? Because my show, Slightly Unhinged, was up.
Couldn't tell.
Yeah, I mean, who says? Yeah, so it is scheduled for May 2nd, which more than likely I'm going to have to postpone.
Yeah.
Not cancelling, just postponing it. I haven't made an official announcement yet. But
I think you just did.
Not official. It's official now?
Well, it's unofficial-ish and...
Official-ish.
Okay, he'll let you know.
We'll
but
let
there's
you know.
a possibility.
Yeah, follow me, Dufton Shepherd.
Yeah.
I'll tell you everything. So I had a show coming up, and I mean, we do live events. I mean, the people, we need people. And with everything shutting down, like literally, there was no prep time. It's not like we could prepare for 2-3 months and say, okay, we could put aside some money. I mean, everybody's taking a hit. Everybody in the comedic industry. So I'm speaking with the comedians. So nobody going to feel like, Duffy, not about mine. I'm talking about the comedians.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, the money is not coming in, but the material is still there.
What?
So how do you, especially now, so how do you package that material then to still allow yourself to earn?
You write them down and you laugh at them. And we used to have spaces where you can just talk about, like, I'll have an idea and I'll bounce off you. You don't really know that I'm working on a set, I bounce an idea off you and I'm talking about something and I'm laughing and
Yeah.
So that's really what you're doing now. You can't practice in front of an audience anymore. So you have to do it like that. And because people are going live, people are asking, what are the comedians doing?
Stand-up comedies are different. Zoom parties, Duffy. Why you
right,
can't have a Zoom?
What happened? But stand-up comedies are a different beast. It needs that live, human, interactive energy, right? So
Maybe
now
is the time to test a new model.
Yeah. Yes,
because people want to laugh now, and that's what you were saying in this article, is that now is the time that...
Yeah, man. I mean, like the amount of people that are walking around with clean hands and dirty heart right now, me not know. My people hand sanitize, everything I have sanitize, and yet still do not think differently. You don't still have bad minds, man. You don't still look over the neighbor fence.
Oh, Jesus.
Washing your heart,
I was just going to say, where's the opportunity to laugh in COVID, but there's one.
Yes. Yeah. I mean, like when people used to use 10 blocks of tissue, why people have to use 5 You understand what me I
Yeah,
say?
the tissue thing though.
People are damn tissue, you can't tell me
What's really going on with
that.
it?
Me no know. Tell me. What I do with tissue so much?
Boxes and boxes.
But
And
more no one in the supermarket at all hours.
panic buying.
Shop panic buying. I walk into the panic eating.
The same people who are panic buying. Let's just say people will have stock for a while.
Yeah, people are going to stock up for a while. Like,
Yeah.
I think after, whenever this frees up, people are going to have stuff at home. The funny thing about it, though, is that you get these random messages now from people who you haven't heard from in a while. So, hey, Big Ed, how you doing? People that were bored, not doing nothing.
Boredom is a thing. That's
So
what I'm
they
saying. Go
must-
package your things, Virgin, and put them out there so people can.
Yes.
Subscription
But we
thing
have
and-
right. But really and truly, or the platforms that are available to us, we have to now explore how it is that we're going to do that because so many people are going live and so people this entertainment, quote unquote, being put out there on free platforms.
Yeah. So it's hard
People
to
will,
compete.
and people will pay when they have that disposable income.
Yeah. No, it's tough.
Everybody's doing this.
Duffy, let me ask you, is there a risk of comedy in a time like this? Is there a risk around that people say being insensitive?
Yeah,
And
of
so how
course.
do you walk
There's
that
always
fine
a
line?
risk. There's always a risk because persons, I find that people are going to find issues whatever you do. If there are 100,000 people in front of you and you're performing, there's even one person in there doing this. You don't find that funny, and you find it offensive. So we are very much aware that this is a very serious issue, and the entire comedic fraternity endorses that. I mean, keep safe, do what you need to do, wash your hands, social distancing, all of that. So we're not making light, or we're not taking it lightly, but we're making light of the situation. Because you have to laugh. You can't stress out. Stress will kill you, know.
I know.
Stress will mash you up.
Before COVID.
Yes, I mean, it's a laugh about it. Laugh about stuff that you find yourself doing. You understand what I'm saying? It's lighten up because this is one of the few things that freely you can do and you can self-apply that will get you through it.
Absolutely.
Laugh at some stuff, man. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
We
Like,
hear you.
the other day, yesterday, my friends were.
Go on, finally, and they were.
Yeah, my friends were talking. We wanted to, like I said, but I know we go to a beach right now. I want to emergency if we never go to a beach, we call police, but I want to go pay the $1 million. You understand? Because I feel like I fly go somewhere now. And when I come back, when I come to the airport, I'm not sure if I go tell them everything and everywhere they go.
Yeah.
And I go my first quarantine and all these things. And you understand? I say, fizzle. What I'm saying?
Eh? Look at that, it's time to go. Because you're not taking me through that road with you.
Listen,
Dufton Shepherd,
yeah.
radio host and comedian.
Yeah.
We've got to go.